Today we're going to butcher an Atlantic halibut from the North Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic halibut lives in very cold waters in the northern, eastern, and western Atlantic Ocean between depths of 50 and 2,000 meters. They're very strong swimmers and can be very big. The fish I'm going to do today will be 15 kilos in size, but they get much bigger than that. All right, so first, to butcher this halibut, you need to make sure you have a very sharp knife. Either a chef's knife like this or a filleting knife like this work very well. To start off, we need to remove the head. So I like to check for the shoulder bone or the collarbone right along here, and you can feel in a half circle shape around the head where you need to cut. So what we want to do is cut right along the head here. So I'll go in with my knife, working along the bone. We reach the flipper, go right through it, and then down like this to remove the collar. Then we turn over the fish. With the fish on the other side, go in from the bottom, go along the collar, between the fin and the bone, and then right around the top of the head like so. Lifting the head, I go right in between the vertebrae, and off comes the head of the fish. So I'll remove the rest of the collar, and we will save the head and everything for fish stock. Now, with the head removed, which I will save for later, I want to follow the line of the fillet as I butcher it. So first of all, I will go along the edge of the fillet on this side and loosen it along the fin line. So to remove the fillet, we need to follow along this center line and then around like this till we get to where the head was. So now with my knife, I will cut one steady cut and then go around like so. Next, loosen around the spine with your knife on both sides. Always keeping the knife in contact with the bones. Work your knife along the rib cage to release the fillet. So that is one fillet from the bottom of the fish. For the next one, which is much easier now that the first fillet is off, move your knife along the spine, keeping in close contact with the bones. Cut down around the fin. And again, cut along the rib cage with your knife, releasing the flesh from the bones. Another fillet. All right, so we've done the bottom of the fish now. We just need to rotate it and get at the top of the fish. So again, I want to go along the fins and just cut to release the fillet. So as you can see, center line again, and go in with our knife, release it down to the spine, and as I move along, again with my knife against the rib cage, the fillet releases very smoothly. All right, so one more fillet done. Put it right here for now. And then take the last one off. Again, running the knife along the rib cage. And that is how you prepare Atlantic halibut. So hold on to these bones because they're great for soups and stocks and broths.